Good afternoon, the new arrival today. So we're going to have a look around the medium wheelbase high roof transit 62 plate mobile workshop. In this one you have the mobile workshop in the back with the racking, inverter, which we'll have a look at in a second, in the cab. Just going onto the website today. Clean and tidy all round, 62 plate, seats, bulkhead, upholstery, as clean as what you'd hope to find. You've got the checker plate flooring inside, hardware flooring, shelving either side, inverter, side panel. Reversing sensors at the back, just have a look at it in the back. Really is a nice example, this one. Engine's running, we'll get a bit closer to hear that. Twin side loading doors on this one. Floor mat, driver's seat, all in good condition. Back round to the front, colour coded bumper and the wing mirrors. Again, this one is 7,950 plus VAT on the website www.carltonmotorcode.co.uk. Thank you.